Dear students, welcome to LKG Social Science class. Now I am going to teach missing letters through phonics. Let us see one by one. B dash T. Which letter will come here? A. The sound of letter A is A. B A T. Bat. D dash E R. Which letter want to come here? E. Here two vowels comes together, so these two letters give long vowel E sound. D E R. Deer. P dash G. Here which letter want to come? I. The sound of letter I is E. P E G. Pig. D A dash K. Here which letter want to write? C. The sound of letter C is K. Here these two letters gives K sound. D A K. Duck. B dash E. Which letter want to write here? E. The sound of letter E is E. Here two vowels comes together, so these two letters give long vowel E sound. B E B. Dash S. E silent. Which letter want to write here? O. The sound of letter O is O. O. S. E silent. Rose. P dash E S. Which letter want to write here? E. The sound of letter E is E. Here these two letters gives long vowel E sound. P E S. Peace. B dash A T. Here which letter want to write? O. The sound of letter O is O. Here two vowels comes together, so these two letters give long vowel O sound. B O T. Boat. The last one is T dash A S. Which letter want to write here? O. The sound of letter O is O. Here two vowels comes together, so these two letters give long vowel O sound. T O S. Toes. Now I am going to teach some oral questions. Let us see. First question. Which is hot? The sun. Which is hot? The sun. When do we see the moon? Yes, at night. When do we see the moon? At night. When do we see the sun? Very good. During daytime. When do we see the sun? During daytime. When do we see the stars? Yes, at night. When do you see the stars? At night. Where is the sky? It is above us. Where is the sky? It is above us. Where does the sun rise? In the east. Where does the sun rise? In the east. When does the sun rise? Very good. In the morning. When does the sun rise? In the morning. Where does the sun set? In the west. Where does the sun set? In the west. When does the sun set? In the evening. Very good. When does the sun set? In the evening. Which gives us heat and light. The sun. The sun gives us heat and light. Which gives us heat and light? The sun. Okay kids, you have to practice the missing letters and oral questions in your home. Thank you children.